Hi, my dear Tally users. This video is related to coffee curing accounting solution, which is built on Tally. As you can see, you have menus. One is Gateway of Tally. This is default features of Gateway of Tally, and here it is related to coffee curing. Okay, this solution has multiple features, processes, sales, purchase flow, sales flow, production, wastage entry vouchers, bags management, okay, and stock summary, EP stock summary. This is and consignment import. Existing consignment you can import, and you can easily migrate this solution. So let's see one by one how it works. First, when you go to purchase flow, you have multiple options here. Purchase order to purchase billing and purchase order tracking. Okay, so when I go to purchase order, you can see the screen. This looks like standard purchase order, but let us see what is the difference. I will select one any supplier. For example, let me select this one top. And when I select the supplier, you can see in the purchase ledger auto selected. There is a registered dealer, unregistered dealer. It is predefined. Okay, next is order number. On the basis of this, we have this is used for one report. We have one report and the purchase register. I will show what it is. See, these are all showing in red color. Okay, red color means the billing is completed, but invoices are not received from supplier. So system is tracking this. So which already invoices received, you can see here, which is in black. So pending, if you want to see, click on this. It will show only pending. So it's easy to track the invoice, not received invoices. So here, if it is selected, for example, uh, while making purchase order, you have selected one party, for example. So this purchase ledger is predefined. Okay. So system reads that whether he is a registered dealer or unregistered dealer. If it is unregistered dealer, system will not include those purchases in that pending register. Okay, so it will directly put it under invoice received, means purchases, because from unregistered dealer you are not going to receive any invoices. So if system puts under pending to receive invoices register, you will be in confusion. So you have to manually go each and every in purchase, and you have to update manually. So system does it automatically. It saves a lot of time. Okay, such kind of features are many features are there in this solution. You can see one by one. I will show you. Let's do this purchase order. I'm selecting stock item. This is due date, location, any location, or you can select any location here, list, and quantity 10,000 quantity inventory. This is purchase order. Okay, rate. If you want rate, you change the rate. You can change. So amount is hidden. Okay, user cannot see the amount in the purchase order. So when you save this, immediately it goes to WhatsApp. Okay, just confirm the number, WhatsApp number. It is integrated with WhatsApp. Okay, immediately it sends format to supplier. Yeah, this one, supplier WhatsApp number and the PDF format. This format will go to the supplier. Okay, this is like purchase contract. You can see all the details except amount. Okay, so you have a signing option also for both the buyer and seller. So this is the purchase order. Okay, purchase order is done. You can see the contents once again. What are the contents? It has grade means Robusta, Arabica, etc. And quantity, unit of measurement kg, rate, amount is hidden, and you can enter terms, goods condition, and payment terms, other terms, anything. You can enter all this, so it will print here. Okay. See, WhatsApp, why we have integrated WhatsApp, I will tell you the benefits of sending WhatsApp. This one related to this purchase order, purchase contract you can send. The communication is clear. What is the coffee category you are going to receive from the supplier? What is the quantity? What is the rate? Everything is clear there. Okay, instantly. No need to save it and send it manually. uh, it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time. Sometimes you may forget. Okay, in middle of other work, you may forget. So we have integrated this WhatsApp. So later parts, you will understand how important this is. Okay, WhatsApp message. So let's go to the get in entry now. Get in entry. In the get in entry, you have option to take new crop, old crop. So the reason we have given this in the further reports, it has many reports like quality report and consignment report, purchase report, many things. So there you can filter. If you want to see only new crop, you can see, or old crop, you can see that separately, or both together, you can see. So this is the reason we have given this option. Okay, and one more thing, lot number series also different. This is automated lot number series. You cannot change it manually. This is 6. You can see when I go to old crop, this is different. Okay, so I take in new crop, for example, same supplier, enter vehicle number, 05 and 2 3 4. Okay, and let's say same stock item, cherry coffee, raw coffee, and you can predefine a regular bag. If you are using regular bags, no, normally they send in plastic bags, you can predefine, or if they send in different bags, you can go back to this and change the bag type. Okay, so this uh, bag management also is there in this module. Okay, you can track all the bags, and so while sending in the sales process it comes. Okay, while making the sale entry, or while dispatching the coffee to the customer, whether it is for consignment or sales, you are sending the coffee. So with coffee you are sending bags also, so you want to track the bags, how many bags are pending with the customer. Okay, gunny bags or any other costly bags. So while dispatching the item, system posts one entry automatically. These many bags are pending. It will show in the register automatically. These many bags are pending from this customer. I will show you that register also. So now come to this 100 bags, for example. Go down. You can select any go down. Selecting main, accept, get an entry created. Okay. It's very quick. I'm explaining in middle, so it's taking time because I want to explain the benefits, each and every benefit. There are many benefits. A user can understand more than us, okay, because they are the actually in business people, so they understand the process more than us. So next, first weight. When I go to first weight, just click, it takes everything automatically. Even this weight also it takes automatically, because this solution is integrated with weighbridge, your electronic weighbridge. User cannot do anything, just they have to check the weight and first weight, click on first weight, it takes automatically, save it. Now I have disabled that option, okay. Admin can enable or disable, because sometimes if weighbridge has some errors, it will not show the correct weight. So in that case, you can disable auto weight capture and enter the weight manually, okay. For example, gross weight. So gross weight and entering when coffee comes, first weight we call, okay. Save it. When I save, you can see this, it has these many contents. This is like sample card, okay. You can take the print in 4 by 4 paper, okay, or card, and attach it with that sample, okay. So in the future, there are many other reports when this coffee goes to the quality and other grade allocation. Next, it goes to the consignment. Next, it goes to the billing. So you can track it easily by scanning this barcode. When you scan this barcode, the system will give you this record immediately. No need to search manually. So this is done. First weight. So it has gone to second weight now. So it shows all the details. If you have multiple records, which is first weight is done, so it shows here you have multiple filters, supplier wise, vehicle wise, and stock group wise, new crop, old crop, godown wise. Many filters are there. You can search very easily by selecting any easy is a vehicle number you can use, okay. So just here also auto captures weight, but here I'm entering manually second weight. This is vehicle weight. For example, 6,500. See, this is the format. Gross weight, first weight, date and time, second weight, date and time, and the net weight. Okay. So WhatsApp integration, here you can understand. Immediately it goes to WhatsApp. When you say yes and accept, it will go to the supplier WhatsApp number. Supplier, the communication is very clear and simple. It is effortless also. Okay, so it builds trust between supplier and company. Okay, so the if it trust is business. Okay, your business will grow in the long run. So very important. This communication is very important. Supplier has a clear view of his coffee, what's happening with his coffee. So it's very important communication. So it does instantly the system. Okay. So next, tier weight, if any, if you want to change, sometimes varies 50 because of weighbridge error, maybe some 30, 20, 50 kgs may vary. So if you want to change again, then 450 for example, you can change it. System updates it immediately. Again, you can send the WhatsApp updated. Okay, so he understands what's the change in that. So next, it goes to quality control. Okay, in the quality control, user has to enter two things. One is what is the moisture. He checks moisture and enters the percentage here. Okay, for example 13%. When entered 13% is entered, nothing deductions, no deduction is happened. So when I say 13.1, you can see deduction is 9 kg. 13.3 section is 25 kg. Okay, so everything is automated. So no need to calculate every time. Okay, so system does it. This is 13% allowed moisture is not fixed. Admin can change this. Okay, make it 12 or 14, whatever, based on the requirement. Okay, next is OT. OT, for example, 27. When I enter 27, enter, everything calculates automatically. See, estimated parchment, that is EP. So this is EP weight, husk weight, separated immediately. Okay, and it is showing what is the payable weight after all the deductions. Okay, very quick. Manual, user may make errors. Okay, and it takes time, a lot of time, and tracking also very difficult. Okay, so print, you can see the print preview. It looks like this from the beginning, all the details. What happens when you send this through WhatsApp? Supplier will be very happy. He's sitting at his home or anywhere, uh, at his business office. He's knowing all the details about the coffee. No need to make the calls manually to the driver or company. What's happening? What happened with my coffee? No need. Immediately he's getting all the details in each stage. Okay, so at company, reputation, it increases the company reputation. You can understand that. Next is second, quality control. This is grade allocation. Take some sample and enter the grades, whatever grades you got, triple E, and these are all predefined. Okay, system fetch this information automatically, and you can add some more items to this. Not only this one, you can add some more items, bits, other grades. So I'm entering some manual numbers, so random numbers here. This is not actual one. uh, 60, 55, random. Okay, 45, 51. System will not take because this is allocation more than the 300. So there is control. Okay, user cannot make mistakes. System will prevent that. So 50. You can understand this. And if you want to see that, and if you keep that print, you can go to this, enter, print, and keep it. It will show all the details like this. Okay, so this will be useful for production process. I will show the production process later. Okay, now this is second quality done. If add, if you want to add weight, some weight, you can add. For example, I will show you 50 kg I'm going to add. System will prevent because it is showing payable quantity not allowed more than net weight. Okay, so it cannot exceed payable quantity, net quantity. Okay, so user will reduce the uh, add weight quantity. So it is really useful. You can understand this, and there is value, much value in the solution system. Okay, so this also you can send immediately, so supplier will understand what is the added quantity, so he'll be happy. So I'm saying no. Into WhatsApp, no. This is optional. If you want to send, you can send. Otherwise, just click on no. Okay, it will not send. Now quality is done. Okay, you have added some quantity. Next, if you want to send this to consignment, or you want to make the bill, both at one click you can do. Okay, I'll do here. I will send it to consignment from here. Just one click. See, look at the lot number. You can track in the consignment. So consignment entry auto post successful. WhatsApp again. The details you can send it. Saying it now. When I go to consignment report, it is here. Okay. So what are there in consignment report? Let's check. There are many details. Okay. Each and every details carry more weight. You can see here. Husk weight. From the beginning till the consignment, all the details. You can track everything. So if you want to get this details supplier wise, you can get with the grand total. See husk weight. What is the husk weight? And you can change the period also. 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, anything. It is flexible. Husk weight. This is consignment EP. Okay. Here it is not yet built, so it is showing same. You can see here what is the difference. This one 2000 kg is built. So consignment EP is 1042. Original EP was 2122. Okay. So this EP also it shows not only coffee beans weight, it shows the not only full coffee weight, EP weight it shows. Okay. So here it has pending quantity. What is the pending in consignment? Billed quantity and payable quantity. OT, what was the OT? And MC deduction, what was the deduction? If you want to get all the deductions, see total deduction, supplier wise, if supplier needs it, you can just filter it only in the supplier, for example, filter it. I will get some more records so you will understand. So these many show all, for example, show all is there. Show all means uh, consignment. There is no quantity pending in consignment. Everything is billed. So pending, there is some quantities pending in consignment. Okay. So here you have show all. Okay. Next, as I said, there are many filters. Okay, you can see here many filters. So if you want to send from here also, you can send the WhatsApp. Okay. For example, you want to send this through WhatsApp. Click on this WhatsApp. The, what it sends this format. You can see how nice it is. See, this is consignment. Everything is clear here. Everything is clear. So you can change these terms and conditions as per your requirement. Okay, we have given some space to type this. So what you type, it will show here. Okay, it is with clean barcode and the username who is printed this. So you can easily track the user also here who has done. So if some mistakes are done, you can ask that user. So one more feature we have included in this solution is user security. Okay, in the user security, what happens? You don't want to give all the permission to all the users in company. So you can restrict. For example, some people only Weighment, you can provide the option. Other things they will not see anything. Okay. For some people, only consignment related. For some people, only billing related. Okay, you can restrict and give the permission whatever they require. Okay, so this is also biggest advantage. Uh, you can prevent errors or manipulations. Okay, so this is done. Consignment. So you check what are the contents. OT deducted weight, MC moisture deducted weight, MC percentage, and bags. Uh, what it does, it shows all the details. So it builds a trust. Trust is very important thing in the business. So it helps in further business. You can maintain relationship with existing suppliers or customers, and you can get more suppliers and customers. Okay, when people trust you, you will get more business. That is the value it gives the solution. Okay, so after consignment, from consignment, I will send this to, I will make some billing from here. Auto purchase. When I click auto purchase, it carries the payable weight properly, no mistakes, with all the details. Okay, what you have to do is just go here, select against which order you are making this bill, because order you have to select because rate is predefined. Okay, you have contract. So when I select the order, you can see the rate. Now it is 401. When I select this, it changes 405. User cannot change, edit the rate. You can see this. What they can edit? Only quantity. And amount is, not this is not the just amount like quantity into rate. This has other factors also. You can understand that. So it is, everything is automated. No need any extra effort for this. Enter, enter. Here we have given single copy, multiple copy, customized, you know, print format. If I select dual copy and say accept, check everything and accept, WhatsApp immediately. It sends WhatsApp. If you don't want to send, escape. Next, it shows the print. So this is the print format. Purchase quantity, purchase price, value, consignment number, almost all the required things are there covered here. You can see. And if you need any further changes, modifications, we can do. No problem. Many things. You may need extra, or you may not need some other details. We can do any kind of modifications. Okay. So done. It will separate the husk and this one coffee bean in your stock. If you say yes, okay, immediately. No need to post extra entries. And if you want to check the EP weight or MC, uh, anything if you are using default tally, you have to many things are not possible. And if you want to check at one screen, it's impossible in a default tally. Okay. So consignment, even in consignment also, if you want to check only quantity, basic details, you have to go to the multiple report, and you may not get the details out of details. Okay, so it has value. So after billing, again go to consignment report, same number, lot number. See what is the pending. Now this is pending quantity. When you print this, you can send it to through WhatsApp by one click. What it shows, It shows what is the balance quantity in consignment. Okay, so it is, you know, supplier will be very happy. Everything is clear, nothing is hidden. Okay, next is purchase. In the purchase also you have all the details. Here we have given some enable disable option. So you can enable and disable at any time. Lot of details. Okay, EP weight, build EP. See here we have given build EP, original EP, pending quantity. Pending quantity is not required here because we have given there already. So you can hide that. I have given in consignment pending quantity. Okay, payable quantity OT and see number of bags. Okay, if you have multiple, you can see all here. And when you one more thing, when you get the invoice from the supplier, updating is very simple. See, select that, update supplier invoice number, date, enter. That's it. So it will, you know, take the system will take this record under invoice received details. All invoice. See, these are all invoice received. When I change the period, you'll understand what are pending. There are some pending also. So these are pending. If you want to see pending invoices, see it shows only pending invoices. So from here you can update the references easily. So here you have multiple filters. Go down wise also you can filter stock group wise. Robusta here I will show in the consignment report 21. So many records are there. So out of this, if you want to get only new crop, you can get only new crop. You have a yearly support option also with this. Update the item. If you want to change any item here, you need to go back to the get in enter and change. Here you update, it will update everywhere. Okay. And if you want to change party name in the final purchase, you can change it. It will update in previous records also. So there will be no confusion. No need to change in all the stages. Okay. And go down wise. Crop not applicable. Show all. 21. Show all. Go down wise. Location and email section. Okay. And stock group wise. First I say all go down. Stock group wise. For example, only Arabica. Will give you the Arabica only. If you want only Robusta, you can get Robusta. Okay. And WhatsApp, you can send it to the customer number directly from here, or a supplier wise filter. If you need only one supplier wise consignment, you can send this entire report to customer through WhatsApp. Okay. Next is vehicle number. Also you can search the record using vehicle number and lot number also. Okay. I say supplier, all supplier. When you go to lot number and scan that card barcode and the card, it will give you the exact record immediately. Okay. And this is for the day. And so many other features related to sales flow, production, wastage entry, bag management. Wastage entry is related to this one, stock summary, EP stock summary. This is not normal stock, EP stock summary. Okay. It's very useful solution. If you want this solution, you can contact me. I will give the WhatsApp number in the description and our website details also. You can visit our website www.a1taxtallysolutions.com for more such solutions. Okay, on Tally and web apps, advanced web apps also we develop. So thank you for watching. Until the next time, bye bye.